Today we're at the City Papillion Water Tower. We are installing a 24-inch valve into a 24-inch ductile iron water main. Live, we do this without shutting down the water main. This is Winwater's largest valve insertion that we've done to date. We've been doing valve insertions for about 7 years now.
The process of doing it live saves a ton of money for these cities because you're not cutting in T's, you don't have to shut down or drain water towers in this case.
Coordinated with Winwater and they came out to the site and we were explained to them what we wanted to have happen and what we were looking for to accomplish. And they talked to us throughout the process and worked with their valve supplier and got everything squared away, and then we just started operations right at 8 a.m. this morning. This valve will allow us to fill our south and north towers separately, being at different elevations. If we fill them at the same time, which we are currently doing now, we'll have to basically shut down our pump system when one tower fills up before the other, so we're kind of losing out on our existing elevated storage.
I love working locally with the city water departments. It kind of reinforces the whole reason that our company exists, to take care of our local community, to make sure that they have safe drinking water, and to be just a part of the community that we live in.